As I observed these shells, I thought to myself, wow, crazy God's creation. So you mean to tell me these chicks, first thing in life is they had to pack all the way around these shells just to kick it open to survive? Like, what kind of mechanism as a baby do you have to think about that these chicks can survive? I don't know. Just survive such a harsh start to life, you know? But they survive, and that's what they do. It allows them to have a stronger neck and allows them to have stronger feet as they kick and all that. Beautiful. And this is what they do. They just hang out and sleep.